Hey, what's up everybody? This is Pura Vida Culture. My name is Obet Arguedas and today we are going to show you a little bit around Guanacaste. Today is our first day in a road trip. We broke down Liberia. Car broke down, so they gave me another car and that car broke down too. So we already fixed it, we just started, but right now we're here in the hotel. We're just going to chill out for a little bit and rest, let the kids go in the pool and just have fun, and later maybe go to the beach. And we're going to show you around Guanacaste, Liberia, and all those different places around here. So here's my beautiful ladies. Hey Mika, what's up? She is very tired and very crazy.
We're here.
So we're just going to have fun here.
It's been a long trip.
Yeah, it's been a really long trip. It hasn't been that long, maybe, how long?
No, waiting for the car to get fixed.
Yeah, that was long. It was like 4 hours, but you know, we're here now, so that's good. Hey guys, this is Ocotal Beach. We're having some fun here with the family. And this is a nice beach to do snorkeling because the water is very clear. So that you can tell. So I was doing some videos my drone, but I got out of battery, so maybe tomorrow we'll come again and do it. It's a nice beach to do snorkeling. Very clear water. And also to do fishing or any water sports. It's not good for surfing because the waves are not big enough for surfing. Right now we are in Playa Panama Beach, right here in Guanacaste, in Liberia. This beach is perfect for kids. You see, there are no waves. It's just waves, small waves. It's almost like a lake. Look, it's a really calm beach. It's perfect for kids. Right now this is #1 for kids. We'll see And all our travel for Costa Rica, around Costa Rica, we'll see what are the best beaches for kids. Look at them, enjoying them there.
Mira aquel coso, aquel animal.
Ajá, eso es creo que es un pelícano, no sé qué es.
Ganso.
Mateo. Hey, ¿vuelvo a ver? Mateo.
Sí.
No, es un video. ¿Qué quiere decir? ¿A usted le gusta Costa Rica?
Sí.
Mucho.
I like Costa Rica, but because there's pools and lands and sand and toys and shoes and beaches and outside out and big rocks with a spider.
Oh, really? And you like to, what else do you like from Costa Rica?
The woods and northern ways and
Yeah, Costa Rica is very nice, huh? Right here, Mama's chicken. My sister is making it. Look at her. She doesn't like to be in the videos, but I still go to. Look at this. This is the camp chef stove. You can find it on Amazon. I'm going to put the link on the description below. Look at that, guys. Look at that fire there. And you just connect your own gas. It doesn't come with the gas. It's only like $100 for this thing. You can find it on Amazon. And if you buy it from the link that we're going to put there, we might get a small commission. Also, this thing, you can find it on Amazon as well. This little can. You use sand with these bags. You just fill those bags with sand. Look, there's another way. Here is my princess, my little princess, and my big princess. My old princess, I would say. My older, I would say. Give us up, huh? What's up, guys? We are here in Playa Hermosa. It's near Playa Panama and Playa El Coco. Let's have some fun here, kids. It's a very nice beach. Playa Hermosa means beautiful. It's a beautiful beach. And just make a comment to see what you think about the videos and about the food and everything else. And see you next time. Say bye. Say bye, Micaela. Say bye. Bye. Ay, say bye. Bye guys, see you next time.